started on this Friday. Break it. Hey, that party boy out there up in Michigan. Hey, Radio 1 in Alabama, keep doing what you're doing because you're doing it damn good. The Downey later, Mr. Number 1 in the BAM, Little Squirt, Radio 1, Little Squirt. Party boy up here in Michigan, I got down.
Where'd you go, audio man?
Brother, I'm right here. What's going on down there, Mustang? Come on in.
Yeah, man, I heard you in there. I had to turn my antenna around. No, I just want to say howdy real quick. Just doing some work here in the garage on my day off, man. Just figured I'd wave the hand real quick.
Spoke loud on that there, Mustang. I appreciate it, dude. I sure enough do. Ain't no hair around, man. Yeah, good to hear you back in there as well. Hotter than hell up here. Hotter than hell up here, and I know it's hotter than hell down there. Swear in the Great Lakes. Ooh, Florida is one place I don't want to be today.
Yeah, it ain't real hot yet. It's getting there though. It's 87 degrees here. I just looked at the thermometer there on the garage wall there, and it says 87. So it's nice for right now, anyway. Hey, audio man, hope you had a nice Independence Day. Your 351 Sam Powell, right back.
Take care. Have a real good day. Hey, so air conditioning room. Man, I'm telling you what. Real light, Evan. We got 80. I don't know, man. I might go a little stir crazy if it was 7 degrees hotter up here. But I had a good Independence Day, brother. Hope you had a good one as well, without a doubt. Me and the girls, we went canoeing, had a great time. Went and got brand man, we just had a blast, ain't no doubt. Hey, 357 in Tennessee. I don't know how long Mother Nature's gonna allow us to bump it down like this. Well, how about it down there in the sand piles? You copy Doc Holliday up there in the sloppy. Yeah, real good.
Yeah, I don't know what happened that time. You were in there real strong and faded out a little bit, but man, you had it going on. You'll be able to check it out there on the video gate. I just clicked the record button there a minute ago, so yeah, but man, I'm glad you had a good time on the canoe and all. Man, wish I still had mine. I should never got rid of it, man. There's a lot of streams and stuff down this way, but audio man, glad everything's going well and swell. Everything's fine here, and 80 degrees is like air conditioning to me. Hey, audio man, we'll get back with you. You take care. Have a good weekend. Your friend in Florida waving and gone.
Like air conditioning. Good golly, Miss Molly. Yeah, man, we got a canoeing deal right down the road from the house here, man. We just go down there. What I give her? I think it was like $25 for 3 miles, and I think it was 6 or 8 miles was like $30. But I wanted to make sure baby audio was going to be kosher with everything, so maybe we'll do the 8 or 6 mile next time around. But yeah, we sure did have a good time, man. Hey, I tell you what though, I'm on the test tower. I'm 25 feet here with this flat.
Yeah, man, I'll tell you what, we went down Peace River down here, and it was like only like 6-7 miles straight, but man, it was like 10 miles going down the river because it went this way and that way and all over the place. And man, it was an all-day venture. Man, my back was killing me at the end of the day, so I could only sit in the canoe for so long. We had to stop several times to take a break. There, audio man, appreciate the key up and holler back this way, man. Hope everything's going well and swell again, man, and hopefully everything's going to be nice in the future. We'll get back with you when we can. Your friend in Florida going to be back quiet now.
Oh, yeah, full ride on that. Well, this boat, that doggone canoe had a hole in it, man. Hey, I left that part out. Hey, Mustang, that doggone canoe had a hole in it. So it was a good thing we only did 3 miles because I don't know if we'd have made it the 6 or 8 mile. In the Bright Lakes, there was not a whole lot of water in that dust cluster, but the point is, it was getting getting water when they shouldn't have been getting water. But hey, we made it to that 3-mile stretch, and everything was fine. Hey, Mustang, have a beautiful day down around Florida. Enjoy that doggone sunshine there. Break, Mike. Hey.
Hey, the hole in the canoe is just part of the adventure, you know. It makes it more exciting there. You know, you just gotta, you know, go off to the bank there and get out the canoe, dump it out, and throw it right back in and go back at it.
Audio. Hey, 420. Hey, 420, you just gotta quit making all that noise down there in Florida, man. Yeah, that's what I should have told them. When I got back, when they got us back to the canoeing place there to grab some take care of 3 tape on them cracks on that doggone canoe, though. Ain't no doubt. All right, Mustang, appreciate it. Always a pleasure to hear your voice coming across the air, ain't no doubt. Gorilla tape. Yep. I put my foot in my mouth on that one. Oh, audio man's reading the mail. Bye, dog.
All right, man. Yeah, I heard somebody going back to 420. It might be 420 in Florida. He's got a pretty strong station. I'm just a small little station in Florida working these transistors. All right, man, I get out of the way, man. Hey, audio man, take care. You're 351 CM Pile, waving and gone.
Alright, 351. Alright, 351, all good, man. Ain't no doubt. Always a pleasure. That's who it is, brother. It's 351. That's what you wanted to know. That's what I had to say. And, man, y'all just gear jamming and gear slamming all the way up here to start. Hey, 420, tell that little squirt I'll say, hey, audio man's got something to say. And he said, go lay down. That's right. Do me a favor. Tell my little buddy, little squirt, I said to go lay